Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making delicious chicken karahi. It's really famous in Pakistan and India. It's gonna be really tasty, and I bet you haven't eaten chicken karahi like this before. Let's get started. Medium low heat, add oil, add onions, mix and cook until soft. Move the onions to one side, add fresh garlic, cook this until golden brown. Add a splash of water to make sure nothing sticks to the pan. Add tomatoes and give this a mix. Cover this for a minute in order to make the tomatoes softer. Splash of water again and cook. Add green chili, ginger, mix. Splash of water again and cook this. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, give this a mix. Splash of water, mix, and cover this for 2 minutes. This will cook the rawness of the spices and it will soften the mixture as well. Check it and give it a mix. Water again, mix and cover again for a minute. Now you can see the mixture is getting thinner, and this process will also enhance the flavor of this dish. A bit more water, cover for 1.5 minutes. Now this is what you're looking for. The oil should be on top. The mixture is ready, just give it a final mix. Now add the chicken and give this a mix nice and gently. Cover this for 5 minutes on low medium heat. Uncover and give this a good mix. We are going to keep repeating this process of covering and mixing for 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked completely. Make sure to keep an eye on the chicken so it does not stick to the pan or burn. Cover again for 2 minutes to create a steam. Uncover, mix, splash of water when it's needed. A final uncover. Give this a mix. The chicken is ready. Looks beautiful. Now just turn off the heat. Decorate it with green chili or coriander. Cucumber. Remove the ends. Whoa. Slice thinly. Leave the seeds as it is too watery. Done. Yogurt, green chili and green coriander paste. Pinch of salt. Mix. Cucumber. Mix and it's ready. So here you have my mouth-watering chicken karahi. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please share with your friends and your family. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this delicious chicken karahi. Looks delicious, look at it. So here I've got some naan bread. Let me just show you the chicken. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Look at this chicken, man. So delicious, perfectly cooked. Wow, look at this cucumber. Dressed in a beautiful sauce, so much flavor. Very simple to do this chicken karahi, very famous in Pakistan and India. Make sure you definitely try it. Wow, look at this. Look at this chicken, see it? The best thing is you can serve this with different kind of salad, you know. I like some mango chutney with it, you know, some papadums, etc. So much flavor. Have you got some tissue for me, please? Give me some tissue, thank you. Wow. You have to try it. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos.